Declaration and displaying array in PHP. Example: an array is a structured data type that is useful for storing a number of data of the same type. The parts that make up the array are called array elements, each of which is individually accessible through the index array. The array index can be either an integer or a string. To better understand the application of arrays, here's how to declare and show array on a PHP program. Program 1. File name, array01.php. Description: program declares array with numeric index. Put the following code into Notepad. Less than, PHP. $or fruit equals array, mango, apple, banana, orange. Echo $or fruit, 0, mango. Echo $or fruit, 3, orange. $or color equals array. $or color equals red. $or color equals blue. $or color equals green. $or color equals white. Echo $or color, 0, red. Echo $or color, 2, green. Greater than. Save the code in the htdocs folder named array01.php. Program explanation 1. To declare or define an array in PHP can use keyword array. In Program 1, there are declarations and definitions of arrays on line 3. The number of array elements need not be mentioned during declaration. As for displaying the contents of an array on a particular element, simply by naming the array and its index array, see row 4 and 5. Declaring and filling the array can also be done as in the 7th row to the 11th row, by defining the array as in the above two ways. The index key array will automatically be filled with integers starting from 0. To see the results, open the browser, type http://localhost/array01.php. In the address bar, then enter Program 2. File name, array02.php. Description: the program declares an array with an index string, an associative array. Open Notepad, type the following PHP code into Notepad. Less than, PHP. $or value equals array, Johannes equals greater than 80, Odom equals greater than 90, Jessica equals greater than 75. Michael equals greater than 85. Echo $or value, Johannes 80. Echo $or value, Odom 90. $or value equals array. $or value, Milka equals 80. $or value, Benny equals 95. $or value, Sally equals 77. Echo $or value, Benny 95. Echo $or value, Milka 80. Greater than. Save the PHP code in the htdocs folder named array02.php. Program explanation 2. To declare or define an associative array, an array that uses an index other than an integer. It can be by name, the index first followed by operator equals greater than and followed by the value or element. Value. See the 3rd row program. As for displaying the value or value of an array, it could be by name of the array followed by its index array. See row 4 and 5. The definition of an associative array can also be done as in the 7th row to the 10th row. To run the array program, open the browser. In the address bar, type http://localhost/array02.php, then enter Program 3. File name, array03.php. Description: the program displays the entire contents of an array with a numeric index. Type the following code in Notepad. Less than, PHP. $or color equals array, blue, black, red, yellow, green. Echo displays the contents of the array with for, less than, br greater than. For $I equals 0, $I less than, count $or color, $I plus plus. Echo do you like less than, font color equals $or color, $I greater than. $or color, $I. Less than, font greater than, less than BR greater than. Closing curly bracket. Echo less than BR greater than displays the contents of an array with for each less than BR greater than. For each $or color is $color. Echo do you like less than font color equals $color greater than $color less than font greater than less than BR greater than. Closing curly bracket. Greater than. Save the code into the htdocs folder named array03.php. Program explanation 3. To display the entire contents of the array can be done by looping for while, do, while, or for each. Lines 5 to 7 of the above programs are examples of displaying arrays with a for loop. The count function on line 5 serves to find the number of elements of the $or color array. To display an array can also use the structure for each. The for each structure will take the array elements from the pointer position to the end of the pointer. In the example of the above program, line 10 can be declared with the statement that for each array element $or color, insert into variable $color. Display program 3 can be seen in figure 3. If you want to see the results, open the browser, type http://localhost/array03.php. In the address bar then enter. The result will look like the following. Program 4. File name array04.php. Description: the program displays the entire contents of an associative array. Type the following PHP code into Notepad. Less than PHP. Or value equals array Johannes equals greater than 80, Odom equals greater than 90, Jessica equals greater than 75, Michael equals greater than 85. Echo displays the contents of an array with for each less than BR greater than. For each $or value as $name equals greater than $value. Echo value $name equals $value less than BR greater than. Closing curly bracket. Reset $or value. Echo less than BR greater than minimpilken is array dangen while dan list less than BR greater than. While list $name $value equals each $or value. Echo value $name equals $value less than BR greater than. Closing curly bracket. Greater than. Save the code with the name array04.php in the htdocs folder. Program explanation 4. To display an associative array can use for each and while loops with the list and each functions. The fifth row of program 4 above can be expressed by the statement for each array element $or value. Enter its key index into variable $name and enter its value into variable $value. On line 8 there is a function reset function to return the array pointer to the first element. On line 10, an associative array is displayed with a while structure that uses the list and each function. If you want to display the results, open the browser then enter the address http://localhost/array04.php in the address bar. Then enter. The result will look like the following. Program 5. File name array05.php. Description: the program prints the array structure. Open Notepad, then type this PHP code. Less than PHP. Or color equals array blue, black, red, yellow, green. Or value equals array Johannes equals greater than 80, Odom equals greater than 90, Jessica equals greater than 75, Michael equals greater than 85. Echo less than pre greater than. Print _r $or color. Echo less than BR greater than. Print _r $or value. Echo less than pre greater than. Greater than. Save the code with the name array05.php in the htdocs folder. Program explanation 5. In program 5 above there is the function print_r line 5 that serves to display the structure of the array. Display program 5 can be seen in figure 5. To see the results, open the browser, then in the address bar type http://localhost/array05.php. Then enter. That's the explanation from me about declaration and displaying array in PHP example. Hopefully can increase our knowledge in learning PHP programming language. Learn also articles about how to get input from text array in PHP.